hot today, and you look thirsty. I need to get you some water. That wasn't me, I promise. That's weird. The water hose must be broken. I'm gonna go tell Park Ranger Darren. Be right back. It's so hot today. It feels like a desert.
It's so hot, even my sweat is starting to sweat. And the super sticky formula won't mix in this heat. And we need it if we're going to stick trackers on the new dinos.
Well, there's a bigger problem. The water hose broke and the dinos look thirsty.
Oh no, that can't be good. Come to think of it, the sprinklers didn't turn on this morning. The water must be turned off. If the dinosaurs get dehydrated, they could faint.
Oh no! What can we do?
There's a water control switch over by the main power controls. It's real high up, but I can hit it with my baseball. Let me set this super sticky formula in the freezer and I will head over there.
Okay. Cool, what's this?
Oh, those are my night vision goggles. Ugh! What happened? Man, my vision's all blurry. I can't see. Do I need glasses? Am I going to faint?
Park Ranger Darren, you have the night vision goggles on your head.
Oh, thank heaven. I thought the heat had finally gotten to me. These are my old night vision goggles. They don't work during the day like my new ones. Can you help me get them off my head?
Sure, no problem. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Oh, that's all right. I will try to get them off by myself.
I see the sticky formula on your head and the goggles.
Oh, well, give me a brachiosaurus. Don't worry. We just need to wash it off with a little, oh no.
Water?
Yes, but we don't have any water.
What if I guide you?
Guide me to the main water controls? That's a great idea. These goggles have a camera and you can see them through the video communicator in my bag. You guide me, be my eyes and ears, but I warn you, I was never very good at pin the tail on the donkey, but I will do my best. Let me just turn on the camera.
Ah, laser beam!
Sorry, wrong button. There.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yep.
Good. Now just hand me my bag and I will be off.
Here's your bag.
Great. Well, then off I go.
No, the other way.
Oh, sorry. Off I go again. It's so hot. I need a water break. I hope I get there before I run out of my water. Too late. Okay, Asher, how am I doing?
Good, just walk slow.
Okay, like this.
No, too slow. Normal speed.
Oh, okay, like this.
Yes, good. Now turn right. Turn left.
Ow, ow.
No, your other left. Keep moving forward. Wait, what are you doing? Stop, don't move.
Why? What's wrong? What is it? Is there a snake in my boots?
No, wait, you don't have any boots.
Come on, Asher. I'm gonna fall. I was never good at yoga.
Stop, you're almost gonna step on some dino eggs.
Oh, poor babies. In this heat, we'll have fried dino eggs. I better move them. Okay, Asher, where's the nearest shade?
Go left, then straight for a few steps. It's shady and hidden by plants.
Ew. What is that smell? Is there dino duty here?
No.
Ugh. Are you sure? Something smells very bad. Ugh. Rank.
There's nothing.
Wait a minute. Ugh. It's me. I guess I do need a shower. Anyway, am I near the spot?
Yes, but watch out for that tree.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
You would lose that pin the tail of the donkey. You have really bad sense of direction.
All right. The eggs are safe from the heat. Back on track.
Park Ranger Darren, stop! Don't move!
Why? Why are we whispering?
Because there's an Allosaurus walking past you.
That is a good reason to whisper.
Run! It sees you! Go left! No, right! Go faster! Turn around! Go right! Go left! Go backwards! No, right! No, forward! It's gone.
Whew. Goodness. I guess he must have smelled me because I'm starting to cook in this heat. All right, Park Ranger Asher. Am I close to the main controls?
You're just a few feet away. Almost there.
Oh, good. Almost there. Oh, what did I just step in? Please don't tell me.
It's just mud.
Oh, thank goodness. I've never loved mud as much as now. Oh, I guess my clothes are gonna need to take a shower too.
You made it!
Finally.
I see the button. It's far up and on the right. The dinos are getting thirsty. They'll faint soon.
I got it.
That's not your baseball. That's an orange.
An orange? Oh no, that's for snack time. Trying to eat healthy, you know. I got it. Here?
A little more to the right.
Here?
A tiny bit more. There, right there.
Okay, you got this, Park Ranger Darren. You can do this. Do it for the dinos. Do it for the dino eggs. And do it for your awesome Park Ranger partner. And do it for yourself because you stink so bad, you're gonna scare even the T-Rexes away. Yes!
You did it!
We did it!
Oh, yeah?
Okay, I filled this with water. Let's unstick ourselves. Me first. Oh, that is much better. Okay, now your turn.
I missed you, feet.
Man, let's hope we never do that again.
Me too. I'm gonna go give the dinos some water.
Good idea.
Okay, we got the water working, Miss Triceratops. Or is it still not working? It works. This is for you, Miss Triceratops.